the RAM 2-in-1. I have grown quite accustomed to being able to switch my laptop into tablet mode over the years, but when I want to use it, it is pretty freaking handy. You've got a full-size keyboard, it's got Thunderbolt, it's got the fingerprint reader, and in terms of I/O, this is really, really nice right there. That full-sized HDMI. In my job, I actually conduct a lot of meetings, and being able to plug into HDMI to the projector and present when I'm talking to people is a pretty big deal without pulling a dongle out of my bag. There's a Stylus Pen in the box. So this is a Wacom Stylus Pen with over 4,000 pressure levels. This is a perfect example of how even an Ultrabook these days, with the right accessories, can totally be used for gaming. We're turboing up from 3 to 3.3, 3.5 gigahertz. Not bad for the CPU, definitely enough for a decent gaming experience. It's an LG laptop, so it uses an LG IPS display, so the image quality is really good, and it really is crazy light.